Now, the question number 15, prove that cot 4x bracket sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x bracket sin x minus sin 3x. So let me take a left hand side. That is 5x. Sin 5x. Now, we know that this is 5x. Solution. We know, we know the formula sin sin A plus sin B is equal to, this is the first formula, 2 sin, because there is a plus sign in between sign. Now if sign is there, sign is a good person, so it will be, there is a mixing of sin and cos. A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. So beta A or B, any A doesn't mean that A is a larger angle. You can take any angle A, any angle B. Okay, so that is your choice. Second formula is sin A minus B. Sin A minus sin B is equal to 2. Now cos at a first position, cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Now left hand side. So cot 4x sin 5x plus sin 3x. Now cot can be written, a cot will be written as cot, as a cot x. Sin A, this is A. This is A and this is B. 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x by 2. Now cot 4x. We know that 5x plus 3x is 8x, 8 by 2 that is 4x. Cos 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x divided by 2 is x. Okay. Now cot can be written as cos 4x over sin 4x. We know that cos in 10th class we have studied. Cot 4x can be written as cos 4x over sin 4x. 2 sin 4x into cos 4. Sin cancel out, so answer is 2 cos x, and that is not matching with the right hand side, so I will solve right hand side separately. Right hand side, cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. So I will use this formula, cot x sin, that is 2 cos 5x minus, so I will use this one, cot x 2 cos 5x plus x, sorry 3x, into sin 5x minus 3x by 2 cot x sin 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 divided by, this is a 4x. Cot can be written as cos x, this cot can be written as cos sin, cos, cot can be written as cos, Wait, that is cos over sin x, 2 cos 4x into sin x. Sin cancel out. 2 cos 4x is equal to cos x. So beta see left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have proved question number 15. Okay, question number 16. Prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x over sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x over cos 10x. So let me start with the left hand side. Cos 9x minus cos 5x over sin 17x minus sin 3x. So I will use the formula using sin A minus sin B to cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 cos A minus cos B. What will be the answer? Now both are cos. So in cos there will be no mixing. Now in the numerator we will apply 2 cos. Sorry, numerator there will be minus 2 sin. What is A? This is A. This is B. Now sin AX plus B by 2 to sin A minus B by 2 divided by 2 sin 17x sin, sorry, well I can just let me change it. It's a cos I better there will be cos sin 17x minus 3x by 2. Now in the numerator 2 cancel out minus sin 7x 9x minus 5x 4 sin 2x cos 17 plus 3 by 2 it is a 10x 17 minus 3 it is 14 14 by 2 it is sin 7x. Now with the red pen I am doing the cancellation. So answer is minus sin 2x over cos 10x is equal to right hand side and proved. We have proved this question. So question number 17. Prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x over cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. So let me start with the left hand side. Cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal. Now we know that what is the formula? Using formula number 1 sin A plus sin AB is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 2 cos a minus b by 2. Because formula of sine, there will be mixing of sine and cos. Another is cos a plus b. What is the formula? 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Now, left hand side is 2 sine 5 plus 3 by 2 cos 5x minus 3 by 2. We know the formula. First one divided by, apply the second formula. 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. What is a? 5x. What is b? 3x. 2 to cancel out. Sine 5 plus 3 is 8. It is a 4x. Cos 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x divided by 2, it is x. Cot 4x into cos. Cos cancel out. Answer is sine over cos is tan 4x is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Prove, prove that sine x minus cos y over, sorry, sine x minus sine y over cos x plus cos y is equal to tan x minus y by 2. So left hand side sine x minus sine y over cos x plus cos y. Now I have written the, already written the formula. Sine a minus sine b, 2 cos a plus b by 2 sine, because formula of sine there will be a mixing. First term is a cos, there is x plus y by 2. Second term is sine, it is x minus y by 2. Now in the denominator both are cos and there is a plus sign, because cos is not a good person, it will separate from the sign. Cos x minus y by 2. This is completely cancel out. Sine over cos is tan x minus y by 2 is equal to right hand side proof. And beta, we have done this question. Now question number 19, prove that sin x plus sin 3x over cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. So left hand side, we know the formula. Left hand side is sin beta. So sin x plus sin 3x over cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. Oh, sorry, left hand tan, I will not write tan 2x. So sin A plus sin B. How can we write 2? 2. There will be a mixing because it is a formula of sine. There will be a mixing of sine and cos. Into cos. Second term will be cos. So doesn't matter beta A is a larger number. No. A may be larger or smaller angle. Doesn't matter for us. 2 cos. In the denominator both terms are cos. This is A. This is B. So cos x plus 3x by 2 into cos x minus 3x by 2 to cancel out, and this term is also cancel out. So answer is sine over cos is sine 2x over cos 2x. Sine over cos is tan 2x is equal to right hand side. hence prove. So we have proved. These are very easy questions we have done. Okay, prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. We know that formulae they are applicable only for the two terms, but there are three terms. Then what to do? Always, firstly, let me write left hand side plus I will write larger angle and smaller angle together and the angle है ना smallest larger angle is 4x, smaller angle is 2x. So I will just make a group of them. Of, and in the denominator same for largest angle and smallest angle. Keep them together beta. And the other term just leave it. We know that in the denominator cos A plus this is A, this is B. Cos A plus cos B is 2 cos 4x plus 2x by 2 cos 4x minus 2x by 2 divided 2 2 sin 4x by and in the denominator cos 3x remains same. Just leave it. Okay. Cos 4x minus 2x by 2 sin 3x. Now in the numerator cos 4x plus 2x 6x that is cos 3x into cos x plus cos 3x. 2 okay. So in the denominator sin 3x cos x plus sin 3x. Now if you see in the denominator, in the numerator these two terms are common and in the denominator these two terms are common. So what to do? I have taken cos 3x common. So what will be the answer to cos x plus 1? In the denominator I have taken sin 3x common. So answer is 2 cos x plus 1. And beta let me tell you these two terms are cancelled out. Answer is cos over sin is cot 3x is equal to right hand side and hence we have proved this question. Okay, prove that sin x minus sin 3x over sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. So let me take left hand side sin x minus sin 3x over better now the formulas of square. So let me write the formula which we used. Formula. So what is that? Sin A minus sin B 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. This is the first formula. What is in cos 2x? This formula I have already proved. That is cos square x minus sin square x. This formula I have already proved. Now if you see this term, with the black pen I'm showing it, and this term, the difference is only negative sign. Now cos square is positive. What to do now? In the numerator I will apply the formula 2 First formula I will apply. This is the second formula. Cos x plus 3x by 2 sin x minus 3x by 2 divided by 2. Now let me tell you. In the denominator what to do? I will take minus common. It will become now cos square now was negative. It will become positive. Now 2 cos, that is 2x, cos x minus 3x, this is sine minus x. In the numerator there is a negative sign. Negative angle means fourth quadrant, and also cos 2x is minus minus cancel out, so minus 2 minus sine x. We know the formula. What is that? Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Minus minus plus 2 sin x is equal to right hand side, hence prove. So that was also easy question. Now prove that 22nd question, cot x minus cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x is equal to 1. So if you see something special, if you see the angles, angle x, 2x, 2x, 3x, 3x, x. So beta maximum questions are max angles are x, 2x and 3x. That's it. So this question, the hint is there. No left hand side is there. I will write cot 3x. Cot 3x can be written as cot 3x can be written as cot 2x plus x. So what to do, beta? What will be the formula? Using formula, cot a plus b is equal to cot a. This formula I have already proved. Cot a. Without formula, we can't do trigonometry. Now, cot a plus b. A is a, what is this? Is a, this is b. So cot 2x into cot x minus 1 over cot 2x plus cot x is equal to cot 3x. Now, just take this term denominator to the left hand side and you will get the answer. Cot 2x plus cot x is equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1. So I will take this one left hand, cot 3x into cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x is equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1. So minus 1 term I will take to the left hand side. So 1 is in left hand side, minus 1 become plus 1, and other two terms they which are circled, these two terms I will take to the right hand side. So what will be the answer? Cot 2x into cot x, cot 3x into cot 2x, that is a positive in left hand side, it will become negative in right hand side. Cot 2x plus cot 3x into cot x, it will become negative, and hence which is hence prove. So this is also a unique question, we have done it.